How to invite a guest voice only on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about inviting a guest to join a voice channel on Discord. So for that, simply follow the steps. You need to go ahead and open Discord application, or you can also launch your web browser and go to discord.com and log into your account. Now join a voice channel on your server. Once you do that, click on the server name at the top to open the drop-down menu. Now select Invite People, that is just below the Server Boost option. Tap on that. This will give you a link. Once you tap on Invite People, you will see the option of Invite as a guest voice only option over here, but that is not visible in my settings due to few technical problems. So if you see that option, simply go ahead and enable that and set the link to never expire, and then copy the link and send it to person you want to invite. Once they click the link, they'll join the voice channel as a guest. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.